Okay, so if this is your first station, you are going to label a page in your composition book MLA Citations. And then we're going to learn how to do electronic sources, a page on a website. There's a lot of different kind of electronic sources. This is where you can learn to cite an entire website, a page on a website, an image, a blog posting, a tweet. And let me show you on Al Purdue, it lists out all the different kinds of citations. They're over here on the left. And then this is where you're going to get all of your information, okay? And so I copied and pasted some of this into the slides that I'm going to go over with you, okay? But there's a page on a website that we're going to do. Okay, now, best case scenario, your citation should have all of this information. It starts with an author name or an editor name. Then you put the article name in quotation marks, the title of the website, version numbers, publishing information, page numbers, date you accessed it, the URL, all of that stuff. If we were just citing an entire website, you wouldn't have an article, so you just skip over that. You'll get the hang of it, but it does take some practice. Okay, so here we go. This is what it's going to kind of look like. You put the author, then the title of the container, if it's a self-contained, if it's a book. And this is new, the container thing, so I got to figure that out. But down here at the bottom, this is an example of what we're going to be doing. So we'll have an author, we're going to have a title, we're going to have the name of the website, and then we'll have to copy the URL and the date we accessed it. Okay, and it's important to look at the format of the date. Okay, so here's the article that we're going to do. Scientists divided over how Lucy died. And look, there's a picture. Yay! Okay, so we need the author's name first. I think it's going to open it every time. And it's going to be last name, comma, first name. So we need Hersher, comma, Rebecca. Okay, and then I need to check my punctuation. And it's a period. Okay, and then I'm going to need to have the title, and it's going to go in quotation marks. So scientists divided over how Lucy died. I'm not sure if there's a... Yep, there's a period after it, following our example. Okay, so this is what you should have so far. Watch your capitalization through the title, make sure you get it right. Okay, and then we're going to need the title of the website. I'm going to have 10 of these things open by the time I'm done. So it's NPR. Let's see if we have to put the org. Nope. So NPR, and then we're putting a comma. Now, again, eHow is italicized, and I'm writing NPR down and I'm underlining it just because I'm handwriting it. Okay, and then we need a comma. So it should look like that. And then we need to copy down the entire URL, which is going to be very cumbersome. When you type these up, then you can okay, so we need to copy down this URL. Okay, so I'm going to put, we need to make sure, did we put the HTTP? Let's look. Nope, we start with the www. Boop, boop, boop. All right, so here we go. www.org /sections /the 2-way /2016 /8 /29 491-841-003 /scientists-divided. Okay, and I think that's the entire thing. Let's look. Oh, no. Good thing we checked. Divided -over -how -Lucy -died. Okay, so we have the web address now. So let's just make sure. All right, and then we put a period, and then we're going to write accessed. And I accessed it this morning, so it was 30. And July is written out, so we're going to write out August 2016 and a period. Okay, so your citation should look like this. Now I broke off on this side. I tried to break it off at forward slashes. That used to be a rule many, many moons ago. I don't know if it still is. I have to look at that, but just know. Oh, and did you see how this line sticks out, but when it wraps, then you indent? And their example doesn't have that, but you do that. So if you need to make a mark on your paper to remember that, then you can. Okay? All right, and that is how to do a page on a website.